Why can't our bodies uptake a flammable substance like oxygen and hydrogen in the quantities that we do without causing toxins or
spontaneous combustion? Well, our bodies are built with this amazing ability. There's a thing that we have, it's called the Krebs cycle, and the Krebs cycle basically uses anything that we put in our mouths. It's a little chemical factory, and it changes, and it can change the chemicals of everything that we put in there for the chemical reactions. And a lot of the chemical reactions are thermodynamic, and that requires fuel like oxygen and hydrogen. And if you can feed it pure fuel like hydrogen and oxygen, then it just makes everything run better.
So what does oxygen do in the body?
Oxygen basically goes through to oxidize your foods. It helps the digestive process. It helps, the oxidizing through the Krebs cycle is a very important part. Helps break things down.
Because it's an oxidizer.
Correct.
Okay. And pH is associated with hydrogen, or the scale of hydrogen, right?
Correct. And so the pH is basically the scale of telling you how much hydrogen ions that it can hold. If you go acidic, then it can hold a lot more hydrogen ions, but they're pure hydrogen ions. If you go above 7, which is neutral, and you start to go 8, 9, and 10 up onto the base or alkaline side, basically you have the same amount of hydrogen ions, but each hydrogen ion has an oxygen molecule also on it, which makes it an oxide, that's what raises the pH.
I didn't know that pH was associated with hydrogen.
Yes, it's the path of hydrogen. pH stands for potential of hydrogen, and its ability to hold ions.
That's amazing to me. I don't think people put that 2 and 2 together. They just hear pH, but they don't understand what pH means. But potential of hydrogen is fascinating. And it goes, what's the scale on that?
The scale is from 0 to 14. But typically, hydrochloric acid, which is 100% hydrogen ions and chlorides, is about 1.5. So I don't know of anything that's actually 0, but the scale goes from 0 to 14.
Okay.